Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag featuring this bag right here. This is my Chanel 255 reissue in the mini size. This color is listed as pink. I'm not exactly sure what the exact color is, but I will put the series on the screen that this is from the collection that is from, so that you all know. This is a 2019 bag, if I'm not mistaken. So I will have all that information either on the screen or in the description box. But if you're interested in seeing what fits in my bag, please continue watching. Alright you guys, so here is an up close look of my Chanel reissued 255 in the mini size. One of the things I do want to point out is that this hardware is like a aged gold hardware, and I thought that that was like an error or a defect with this particular bag, but I have since found out that the hardware on a lot of these, they kind of vary. Some have the shiny gold hardware, some have this aged gold hardware, some have silver hardware. And so it's kind of dependent on the year that the bag was made and when you buy it that you'll get the specific type of hardware. So this one is the aged gold hardware, and the chain strap matches that hardware. And I love this chain strap. Like many have said, I thought that this chain strap would be uncomfortable to wear because it didn't have the leather woven in between it. But I find that it's actually very easy to wear. It's very light and it does not dig into my shoulder, especially if I'm wearing a shirt that has my shoulders covered. So it doesn't really bother me there, but you can get a clear sense of, and I would say that this is the exact color of the bag that you see now without the light kind of being too bright on it, but it is a corally type of pink color. And I love that about this bag. But there you can see the aged gold calfskin texture of the bag. I like this because if you are one who is rough on bags, this one, if you get a scratch on it, it will just kind of blend in with the bag. So far, I have not had any issues with this bag, but I love that. I know that the first time when I carried it, I was kind of rough with the bag, and I kept looking at the bag, and then I was kind of reminded that, hey, it's got this aging or this wrinkle type of effect to it, so I wouldn't have to worry about it as much or be too bothered. But I still want to take care of my bags, right? Because these things are expensive, and we want them to continue to looking as good as possible. So let's take a peek inside for what I have inside. And this is about all that I would carry in this bag. Typically, when I'm carrying this bag, I'm going out to lunch. I'm going out with my girlfriends. I'm not going somewhere where I would need to have a lot of stuff. And the time frame when I'm going out is not going to be a lot of hours. I'm going to go out for about 3 to 4 hours max, so I don't need to have much with me. One of the things I would have on top here is my mask, but I'm not showing that. I've shown that in a lot of videos, and of course, you know, obviously right now the mask is needed, but eventually we will return to where we don't need the mask. So just see that you have a lot of room to put that mask in here, and you can notice the flexibility of this material is one of the good things that I do like about it. This has a lot of room to expand, so I was able to put quite a few things in here. And I'm filming on my phone, so my phone is not in here, but what I'm going to do is show you this bag with another phone that I'm not currently using at the moment, but I am going to show you like how a phone fits in this bag. All right, you guys, so here is a shot of how the bag looks with a phone in it. I have my keys right here. I have a little card holder, zip wallet, and I have a card case. So I'm going to take everything out so you can kind of see what I have. But let me show you first how this looks closed. All right, you guys, so here is the bag closed with everything fitting inside. You can see that there is no stress to the sides of the bag. There's no stress to the front of the bag. And what I love about this bag is that the capacity of this bag is awesome. I think that it's because the bag has flexible material. As I'll show, you can see like this really has a lot of give. And then these gussets are not tight, so they do expand to where you can put a lot more things that help push them out and it doesn't affect the bag. So let me go ahead and show you what I have in this bag. Here's my phone. I'm actually not using this phone, but I wanted to show you this with a phone in it. These are my Coach key and or my Coach key holder, and I love this because I feel like this color definitely goes with this bag. Key fob and the color on the inside of that. I love that these flowers coordinate so well with this bag. Next, I have this pastel. This is called Seafoam, the color from Coach. It has silver hardware, but I don't care about that because it looks so pretty up against this pink color. Look at that. It coordinates so well. So I love using this with this, and all of my accessories definitely coordinate with this bag a lot better. And then I have my card holder. Now this card holder is a little darker in color. It actually goes with the other Chanel bag that I just purchased. This is like a gold foil stamping on it. It holds 4 cards, and I actually do have a card in the center. In this card case right here, I have gift cards and cash that I folded up in there, and coins. I have my coins in the bottom of this one here, okay? I have a lip gloss, small little, like a lip tinted lip gloss. This is from Urban Decay. And I have a regular chapstick. I like to put chapstick on before I put on lip gloss to kind of help my lips not be so dry. I have my AirPods. I actually took this out of the case. Normally I have a case on this, but my case was too big to fit in here, and I can't find the other cases that I bought that are a lot slimmer. I have this little perfume spray, J'adore. I purchased this with my Dior makeup items and things, so they give you great smaller size samples that I think fit better in purses. So that's that. And then I have my hand sanitizer packets. I like to carry these and just discard them once I'm done with them, especially when I go out to eat. These are so much easier to carry than a bulkier type of hand sanitizer. I wouldn't, of course, recommend you having a lot of hand sanitizer where it can get on your bag or destroy your bag. So these are just a lot easier. And most places have hand sanitizer where you can use that. So I'm not really worried about always having it on me unless I'm going somewhere. Again, wearing this bag, I'm going somewhere quick, you know, out to eat with my girls. I'm going to be out for at least 3 or 4 hours. So I keep hand sanitizer in my car as well, so I don't have to have a lot in my purse. But that's it for what's in my bag. I keep the card, the authenticity card here in the pocket. I don't even take that out. I guess I should take it out if I'm not using the bag, but I never even think about it while I'm using it. But here she is, a close-up shot. She's pink. I love that this bag is leather. And that's one of the things that I look for when I'm looking for a Chanel bag. I am not a big fan of those bags that are not leather on the inside, because you're still paying the same price for a mini and something that's not even fully leather. It's bad enough that they changed these from being the gold hardware, but that's a whole new topic for a different video that I will be discussing with you guys. All right. So there she is. All right, you guys, so now that you've seen what's in this bag, I want to give some final kind of thoughts on this bag since I have purchased it. This is the bag that I am currently using this week. One of the things that I think about this bag is that this tab right here, I find that it's kind of weak. I don't know. I've noticed that since I've been using it, this crease that's in the bag, I find it bending a bit more, and I'm not sure if this bag was designed to do that, but I feel like eventually this will get kind of wonky if I'm not careful about how I'm opening and closing this bag. Overall, I have to say I do love this bag. My initial concern with this bag was that when I bought it, I was really wanting one that had the CC logo, so I was kind of apprehensive about buying this one. And if you don't have a lot of Chanel bags, or you kind of really don't foresee yourself buying a lot, buying one that doesn't have the logo is kind of a deterrent for you, because let's be real, we all buy these Chanel bags because we want somebody to know that we're carrying Chanel, right? Very seldomly will you want somebody who doesn't want the logo on it because they don't want it to be seen as too logo-y, or they don't want to draw attention to their bags. But for someone who knows I will probably only have 1 or 2 Chanel bags, 1 Chanel bag, you want that logo there because you want to see it. It just kind of, it does something. I don't know, it hits different. So one of the things that I was concerned about was that, but I'm glad that I went on ahead and purchased this bag when I saw it. I'm glad that I kept it. By far, I think that this one is probably my favorite color out of all of my Chanel bags in my collection, just because I can wear this one with a lot more of my outfits, and I just find this one a little bit easier to coordinate my accessories with, especially all my pastel accessories. And so I really enjoy this bag. I'm glad that I have it in my collection, and I'm glad that this adds a different flair to my Chanel bags, and it doesn't have that logo, so it's not as in your face. But that is pretty much the reason why I did purchase the other bag, because I did want one with the logo. So that ends this video. If you have any questions about this bag, please let me know. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.